Hi, I'm Immigration Attorney Ali Subhan, recipient of the Best Immigration Lawyer Award and Legal Innovator Award. In this video, you will learn about the L-1 visa, including the L-1 visa requirements and the step-by-step process on how to apply for an L-1 visa. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. We're going to be publishing new videos every week. Ring the bell so you get notifications every time we release a new video. So you're probably wondering, what is an L-1 visa? That's a great question. The L-1 visa permits a U.S. employer to transfer an executive, manager, or a specialized knowledge employee from a foreign branch, affiliate, subsidiary, or parent company to its office in the U.S. Basically, the L-1 visa allows a foreign company to transfer an employee to a related U.S. company. The L-1 visa is divided into two categories. The L-1A visa is for executives or managers, and the L-1B visa is for specialized knowledge workers. Now, entrepreneurs can also use this visa, and generally the L-1A is the most applicable category. There are four main L-1 visa requirements that you must meet to be eligible to apply for an L-1 visa. 1. The foreign company must have been doing business for at least 1 year. 2. There must be a qualifying relationship between the foreign company and the U.S. company. Examples of qualifying relationships include a foreign parent establishing a U.S. subsidiary, branch office, or affiliate. 3. You must have worked for the foreign company in an executive or managerial capacity or as a specialized knowledge worker continuously for at least 1 year out of the past 3 years. And 4. Your employment with the U.S. company must be as a manager, executive, or specialized knowledge worker. Also, if you're an entrepreneur and considering starting a business in the U.S. under an L-1 visa, then also check out my video on the 5 amazing entrepreneur visas for startups in the USA. Now let's review the step-by-step process on how to apply for your L-1 visa. The first step is to schedule a consultation with an experienced immigration attorney to make sure that you are qualified for the L-1 visa. Your immigration attorney will conduct a thorough evaluation of your case and provide you with an explanation of all your company's options. There may be a better visa category suited for your needs. Either way, you want to be well informed before making a decision because the L-1 visa process is expensive and time-consuming. The next step in the L-1 visa process is assembling your documents. You'll want to gather the following documents from the foreign company: incorporation documents, financial statements, tax returns, organizational chart, pictures of the business, promotional materials, and a detailed statement from an authorized representative of the company explaining ownership and control of the company. Also, you'll want to gather the following documents from the U.S. company: incorporation documents, business licenses, a detailed business plan, organizational chart, proof of any intellectual property, financial statements, and a detailed statement from an authorized representative of the company explaining the ownership and control of the company. The employee being transferred will also need to provide documents including a resume, passport, detailed statement explaining the job duties with the foreign company, detailed statement of the proposed job duties with the U.S. company, and pay stubs and other proof of employment with the foreign company. Now, this is just a general list of documents that may be needed from the foreign company, U.S. company, and the employee. Each case is evaluated on a case-by-case basis, and your list of documents will be customized based on your company's particular industry and other factors. Now, the fourth step to apply for your L-1 visa is submitting your L-1 visa application. For an L-1 visa, you will need to prepare and file a Form I-129 along with the L supplement. The I-129 petition is filed with the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, also known as USCIS. Once the I-129 petition is approved, then you'll file the Form DS-160 application with the U.S. Department of State. Now, working with us, we will organize and submit all of your immigration forms and applications along with your supporting documentation to the USCIS and the U.S. Embassy or Consulate in your home country. After submission of the DS-160 form, the U.S. Embassy or Consulate will then review all your documentation and then schedule you for an L-1 visa interview. Upon successful completion of the L-1 visa interview, you will be issued an L-1 visa. You can then travel in and out of the United States with your L-1 visa. Now, the final step after receiving your L-1 visa is coming to the United States and starting your employment with the U.S. company. I hope you consider the L-1 visa as an option for you to immigrate to the United States. I have helped numerous foreign companies transfer employees to a U.S. subsidiary, branch, or affiliate. If you have questions, contact us through the link below. If you found this video helpful, click the like button now and comment below and tell me what you found most helpful or valuable, or let me know if you have any questions. And click the subscribe button now. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you get notifications every time we release a new video. And watch my other videos for more helpful tips and information on immigrating to the United States. Thank you.